5 balls are arranged around a circle. Chris chooses 2 adjacent balls at random and interchanges them. Okay, so you have 5 in a circle, just like this. And Chris will choose 2 of these adjacent balls, for example, these 2, and switches them. All right, then Silva does the same with her choice of adjacent balls to interchange. So does the same thing independent of Chris's, okay? So maybe she chooses these 2, okay? What is the expected number of balls that occupy their original positions after these 2 successive transpositions? 1.6, 1.8, 2.0, 2.2, or 2.4, right? So when we switch 2 balls, those 2 balls always are in different positions than they were before, right? They're not going to be in the correct position. So after Chris's swapping, exactly 2 of the balls are going to be switched, right? So let's say the original positionings were 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5, like this. And by symmetry of the situation, we can just pick W log, right? We can just assume that Chris picked 2 and 1. This doesn't change, like the expected value, expected number of balls that occupy the original position is the same whether Chris switched 1 and 2, 2 and 3, or any of these. So we're just going to say he switched 1 and 2 just like this. And now we take a look here. Now you have Silva, who does switches 2 of these and gets a new position here. All right, and we can just go through all 5 possible switches and then take the average because that's what expected value is, right? So we take a look at the possible switches here. She can switch 1 and 2 again, so that gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice how this gives us a total of 5 after this. She could switch the 1 and the 3 here, right? So she could switch the 1 and the 2, or the 1 and the 3, which gives 2, 3, 1, 4, 5. Only the 4 and 5 are in their correct position, right? This is 1, 2, 3. So these are all swapped, so there are only 2 here. If you switch 3 and 4, these 2, then we get 2, 1, 4, 3, 5. The only one that's in this correct position is 5. So that's 1. 4 and 5, 2, 1, 3, 5, 4. The only one that's in the correct position is 3, so that gives 1. And finally, switching the 2 and the 5 here, so this pair here, that would give us 5, 1, 3, 4, 2. Should read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 and 3 are in the correct positions, which gives us a total of 3. Okay? As a result, we have now found that we have 5, 2, 1, 1, and 3. And after this, right? Or actually, wait, there are only 2 here, the 3 and the 4. There's no 5th one here. So actually, the answer would be 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 over 5, right? The average of these. And that would be, right? The sum would be on the top, 11. So the answer is 2.2, which is D.